Prayer. O our most sweet Lady and Mother, thou hast already left the earth, and hast reached the kingdom, where thou sittest as queen over all the choirs of angels, as the Holy Church sings. She was exalted above the choirs of angels in the celestial kingdoms. Exaltata est super choros angelorum ad celestia regna. We know that we sinners are not worthy of having thee with us in the valley of darkness, but we know also that thou in thy grandeur hast never forgotten us in our misery, and by being exalted to such glory hast never lost compassion for us poor children of Adam, but rather that it is increased in thee. From the high throne then, where thou dost reign, turn, O Mary, even upon us, thy pitying eyes, and take compassion upon us. Remember too that on leaving this world thou didst promise not to forget us. Look upon us and succor us. See in what tempests and in how many dangers we are, and always shall be till the end of our life arrives. By the merits of thy holy death, obtain for us holy perseverance in the divine friendship, that we may finally depart from this life in the grace of God, and thus come one day to kiss thy feet in paradise, and unite ourselves with the blessed spirits in praising thee and singing thy glories, as thou dost merit. Amen.